Your phone buzzes with a notification promising £20 for 5 minutes of work, and for a split second, you actually want to believe it. This is the seductive trap of a game called Bamboo Shelf. It is a masterpiece of deception that preys on our desire for a quick win. We have all seen these advertisements while scrolling through social media. They promise easy money and quick payouts. They make it look like a casual hobby could replace your day job. But let me tell you the brutal truth. This app is a hollow shell designed to do one thing and one thing only. It wants to turn your eyeballs into revenue for a developer who has zero intention of ever sending you a single cent. You start playing and the first few levels are a breeze. You mash 3 items on a shelf, and boom, the game tells you that you have earned a massive reward. It feels great. It feels like you found a secret loophole in the economy. Then you hit the wall. The game tells you that you can withdraw your cash once you pass level 8. It sounds simple enough. You are already at level 2 or 3. You think you will be done in 10 minutes. But as you progress, the shelves get more crowded. The items become harder to distinguish. The layout becomes a cluttered mess. Suddenly, you are failing the same level over and over again. Every time you fail, a 30-second video starts playing. You watch a commercial for another fake game. Then another. Then another. The developer is getting paid every single time that ad finishes. You, on the other hand, are just wasting your life away. They even use these sneaky psychological tricks to keep you hooked. They offer to double your earnings if you watch just one more video. It is a carrot on a stick that keeps moving further away the faster you run. Think about the math for a second. If an app paid every user £20 for 10 minutes of play, they would be bankrupt in an hour. It is a financial impossibility. Real reward platforms do exist out there. They let you earn small amounts of money by testing software or reaching high levels in legitimate games. But even those platforms are honest about the grind. They might pay you $5 after days of effort. They do not promise a fortune for matching virtual groceries. Bamboo Shelf is part of a growing trend of predatory apps that target people who are looking for a little extra help with their bills. It is dishonest. It is a total waste of your battery life. When you see those flashing lights and the fake payment logos, your alarm bells should be ringing at full volume. The developers are laughing while they count the ad revenue generated by your frustration. They have built a maze with no exit. You are the one doing all the work while they sit back and collect the profits from the advertising networks. Do not let them steal your time. Your time is the most valuable thing you own. It is worth more than a fake balance in a rigged game. Delete the app. There are better ways to spend your afternoon than being a click farm for a faceless company. Stay skeptical. Keep your guard up. If an offer looks too good to be true, it is usually because someone is trying to sell you a lie wrapped in a pretty package. Forget the fake shelf and find something that actually respects your intelligence. You deserve better than a digital scam designed to drain your patience for pennies.